Hello, foreign friends. This is JR from JRC Visa Consultancy and Immigration Services, and we're gonna talk about the Philippine Visa and Immigration Fact. On our previous episode, we have initially talked about the major requirements of the retirement visa, especially if you will be interested of that. The retirement visa or the SRRV will be one of your good option. Why? It is an independent visa that will allow you or give you a permanent residency here in the Philippines, and those are one of the major perks of that visa. Apart from if you're coming here in a family, it will also have your dependents below 21 years old and married, and you can also bring in your spouse. But going toward the next set of requirements, one of the major requirements which you should be obtaining from your country of origin is the police clearance with no criminal record. Now, the police clearance can be complied either three options. So if you're from the US, you can actually get it from your county police. You can also get that in the state police. You can also get that in the FBI. Either three will be deemed acceptable as long as it will be authenticated via apostillization. Now, what is apostillization? It's mainly a process of authenticating a foreign document to be used in a foreign country. Now, this is much simpler than before. To give you an overview, because that is formerly called as red ribbon. If you're an American wanting to have authentication through the red ribbon, you need to go to the nearest Philippine embassy. We don't know how far is that. There is what we call the Apostille-Hague Convention. It's an agreement of member countries to make that simpler, and US and the Philippines is one of that. I think most countries in UK or Europe, most countries in Europe are also participating that. Instead of going to the Philippine embassy, you can just actually search online if there would be a private firm doing the apostillization. If they're actually accredited or they're actually allowed to do that, then you can actually get their services and bring that here along with your other requirements so that you can actually finally submit your visa application process. So apart from that, if you are actually retiring with your spouse, you are also required to submit the marriage certificate, and it should be apostilled also. If you're also applying with your spouse and children, you will also be required to submit the birth certificate apostilled also, authenticated. So apostille is a process that you can do. It's not something that's impossible. It is possible, and we'll guide you all throughout that. Don't worry about that. We actually hear you out. Been traveling for a couple of months, and we do admit that the Philippines is still developing. There might be a difference between the culture and stuff on how we do things, but that is why we're here. So we're here to do our best to help you with your process, and hopefully that gives value to you. So we do hope that we have provided you some insights or information, but if you need further information, please feel free to contact us. I love the Philippines, buddy. See you around. Like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Do appreciate it.